Hey, welcome back to Slay Edge Media, and today I'm going to talk about DIY parts from eBay. Now, if you're like me, you're always considering what's the best place to acquire parts? Where can I buy them from? Because you got to consider a few things. Location, do they actually have the parts that we need? The price, reputability, is there any kind of warranty that's going to be coming with this? Buying parts is expensive. You don't want your money to be wasted. You want to make sure your money is going as far as possible. So there's a lot of things you got to consider. I, for one, have been using eBay since before I ever considered using eBay for parts, car parts, even buying a car, period. I've been using eBay for about 15 years now. And I used to buy just video game stuff on eBay back when I was in high school. Video games, hats, shoes, high school stuff. And based on my experience, after using eBay for years, I've come to the conclusion that eBay is a great place to buy pretty much anything. I've got this oil that I use regularly, which I recommend is like the best oil that you can get. I got it from eBay. You don't have to go to eBay Motors to buy car parts. You can just go straight to eBay and just search whatever you want to search. Like right now, I'm gonna think of something completely random. Let's say, a front grille from a 67 Camaro. How about that? This is a swing in the dark. I don't know if it's even gonna come through, but let's see. Ooh. Grill emblems. There's a few different things actually. Like, I've actually seen this on Camaro before. I always wonder where you get that. So it's a grill insert. You can see right here, there's tons of options as far as customizability. So you can actually go to the old kit, and there's different types of kits for front bumpers or front ends for every different car, So this version this looks kind of like the original. I'm not exactly sure if it was for $396. But that's just an example of how diverse eBay is. You can use eBay literally for anything. You get anything on eBay. Not only when you buy something on eBay, you see all the different products, but you can also see the different sellers, how many things that they've sold in the past. You can see how many ratings they have. You can see how many ratings is on that specific product. Say like if it's like an aftermarket product, I'm gonna search coilover suspension for a 67 C10. That's what's right here. Wow, that is nice. And you can see there's just all different kinds. You can make your own 4-link. You could do a 4-link suspension. That's a lot more work. It's gonna be involved in welding. Ooh, look at this. Looks like some kind of Mustang suspension that you could put on a Chevy truck. That's cool. And the thing is, it's not eBay that's selling it. It's sellers, stores, automotive makers, custom shops. If I had my own product, I would sell it on eBay. I sell stuff on eBay. Got an old camera. I just sold an old GoPro on here like the other week. eBay makes it so easy, and you can send it. I sent it to someone who lived in Brazil a few years ago, sold like a PS3 to someone in Puerto Rico. So, ooh, to be honest, this one's looking the coolest right here. Oh, looks used. You can do buy it now. They even have to where you can make payments. Where is that at? Where's that section? You can see right here. I'll click that, you see it. He's got 97.2% positive feedback since 2017. He's a top rated seller. Not a lot of sales, but still a top rated seller. And just look at all these different kits. Whew. So yeah, if you got a car and you're looking for automotive parts, the most smallest random thing, eBay Motors is definitely a good choice. I've mentioned this before, but for my Audi, I got my turbo IS38. I got my downpipe. I already get my oil from eBay, and I use the oil now. I bought this truck off eBay too, but I'm gonna do a separate video on that whole story. I even bought the rims on this truck right there. Nothing worse than trying to find something special on like Craigslist or OfferUp, or nothing worse than wasting your gas and trying to hunt down at different AutoZones and O'Reilly's, trying to hunt down your special thermostat cap. because no one has it in store. You're gonna have to order online. Something I learned on the Euro is that sometimes it's better to have an online source for everything. So eBay is a good source if you know exactly what you want to get, because there's a lot of variations in different products, different makers, different brands. Make sure you know the brand of stuff you want to get. Check YouTube for different reviews on different products, because sometimes if it's something you never bought, if it doesn't show reviews on there, you might find a review of that product that someone bought, thinking the same thing as you, bought that product, and then they did a YouTube review of it. One of the best things about eBay is they literally have everything. So whatever you want, it's almost like having a store. eBay is the old school Amazon. Amazon does have a lot of stuff, but eBay has more. The advantage that Amazon has over eBay is Amazon has trucks. eBay, you have to set up your own shipping. You have to set up like UPS or USPS. Amazon, they have their own trucks. They deliver straight to your front door. But digression aside, literally whatever you want. One of the best things about eBay is there's buyer protection. Most of the stuff that's on eBay is guaranteed money back. There's warranty on it. There's means for you to contact the seller. You can avoid the awkwardness at the grocery store, or I don't have to meet so-and-so at the Walgreens by my house anymore. With Joe Schmo dressed up in a clown suit, meet me at Walgreens, causing the scene, who knows what. There's protection when you're buying and selling. You can sell car parts and you can buy car parts. So there's so many benefits to using eBay for eBay parts, car parts, whatever you want to get on eBay. You got buyer protection, money back guarantees. You can see reviews. It's reputable products, good brands, actual legit brands. If I want an intercooler for my Audi, they got top-notch brands and they got the Chinese brands. eBay has a large variation of brands for different products you can get, or pretty much whatever you want to get. One of my favorite things about eBay is they're all about making sure things are authentic, certified. If you're buying like something that's a collectible, but like as far as car parts, they do this thing where you can get money back guarantee if your product isn't what you're wanting. Get it shipped back for free, not have to pay to have it reshipped back. Sometimes you ask for a refund and they just let you keep it, depending on what you buy. If it's something cheap, they'll probably just let you keep it and give you your money back. eBay is behind you all the way. They got your back when it comes to buying stuff on eBay or on their platform, buying stuff online, because they want to be known as a reputable source. They want you to come back and keep buying stuff. They want you to refer eBay to your friends and tell everyone just get it on eBay. That's how eBay makes their money. So they're gonna have to make sure they're good to go. They gotta be reputable, good to go, squared up, got their ties on perfect. eBay's gotta be that company, eBay is definitely like a DIY website for sure. You can sell it yourself. You can search and find it and buy it yourself at a cheaper deal instead of going somewhere else and never mind. But it's not just car parts. You can literally buy a car on eBay as well. Like I bought this truck. I think you can trust eBay, and I recommend eBay for anyone who's looking for another means to be able to buy your parts online. Just like I do a lot of my other parts and this IS-38 that I got. Stay tuned and subscribe to see the videos coming up after I get this thing installed. Like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.